Welcome back to Digital Academy. Godwin here, and today in this video, I'll be talking about how to get NIN details and premium slip online, despite wherever you are in Nigeria or abroad. It is no more news that a lot of verification platforms in the recent days have been having issues, network issues, and all that. But we have found a lasting solution, and the lasting solution that we have now is valid ID. Through the valid ID portal, you'll be able to retrieve any NIN details, download the landscape slip, you download the premium slip, and basic data, whatever data you want to get from the NIN. But I want to plead your indulgence that before you verify anyone's details, anyone's data, you should seek consent from the owner of that NIN to avoid breach of data, because it is punishable under the law. So in this video, I will take you on a step-by-step guide on how to get NIN slip, the various verification parameters, and the various slips that you can get from this website that I'm going to be showing you in the next couple of minutes. Okay, so as we all know, we have been in this for a quite good period of time now, but some of those previous portals that we have been using for work has been casted, maybe by casters and others. So that was why I didn't want to bring up this other new updates online, but I've got a lot of push, and also from my direct clients, they need a video on how to navigate through the process. So that is why I'm putting up this new video. And if you are an end user, please don't bother chatting me up, because I might not respond to you, unless you are a business, you want to set up a portal for your own business. But if you are an end user, you don't need to bother yourself. Take your job to someone that can do it for you. Don't bother looking for information to access the portal. So let's head straight to the point. The portal we are going to be working with is called Valid ID. Okay, I can go to my home page and then log in the portal. Now, if you are new to this portal, you need to go to get started so that you can register and get yourself onboarded. But if you have already registered, you don't need to do all of that. You just go to the login page, put in your email address and password. Okay, type your email and password, and boom, you are logged in. Now, this is the user interface. You can see here the number of units. You can see here NIN verification by NIN V2. Now, this was only with VIN. Do not insert an NIN number. Now, this is how to generate VIN. You have the code here, and once you have generated the VIN with any phone number, with any phone rather, but you must insert the desired NIN number that you want to generate the VIN for. Then you insert it here and select the slip type you need. We have the basic slip, we have the ID slip, and then we have the premium slip. Once that is done, you click on submit and wait for a couple of minutes, and the slip or the information you are trying to verify will be displayed. Now the next one we are going to talk about is NIN verification by NIN V3. Now this V3, this was only with NIN. Do not insert VIN. All what you need to do is you type the NIN number or the NIN details and select the desired slip that you need and wait for a couple of minutes for the NIN to display. So for an instance, let's try with one NIN number and click on submit. Okay, see, without even taking up to 3 seconds, the information has displayed. So all you need to do is download free slip. Okay, this download option will pop up. You click on download and boom, it has been downloaded and ready for use. So let's go back to the video. Let's get back to other option. So we also have verification by NIN, and also we have verification by phone number, and also we have NIN verification by demo data. Okay, let me explain the differences one after the other. Now you can see that this NIN verification by NIN V3 is the most effective. In this case, you won't be faced with any network issues unless the NIN is not valid. But once the NIN is valid, just insert the NIN number, select your desired slip type and click on submit and wait for a couple of minutes and your NIN details will be downloaded successfully. Okay, so V3 is not affected by network challenges. We don't have network issues verifying with V3. Okay, this is NIN verification by NIN. Here you just need to input the NIN number, you select the slip type, you have the basic slip, which is just the user information. We have the long slip, that is the regular one that you carry about, and we have the ID slip, the smaller type, and also we have the premium slip. Lastly, the premium slip is the one that is printable on plastic, that looks like ATM. So you can take whatever option you need. So we also have verification by phone. All you need to do is insert the phone number, select your desired slip type, and then click on submit, and boom, in a couple of minutes your desired NIN will be displayed. But in this option, you must insert the NIN, the phone number that was attached to the particular NIN you are looking for. For instance, if you put another person's phone number, it will give you another person's NIN details. If you put an NIN number that is not, sorry, if you type in here a phone number that is not linked or that was not used to register a particular NIN, or that was not used to enroll a particular NIN, the result you'll be getting is record not found, which means that the phone number is not attached to any NIN details. For instance, let me type a phone number here. Okay, then I select my desired slip type and click on submit. Okay, allow it to load for a couple of seconds. In this process, the portal is searching for a record that is attached to this phone number. So the record is not found. That is why it's taken some couple of seconds. Okay, So let's be patient and wait for the portal to finish its searches, and then it will give us um, a response that corresponds to what we are doing. So we are waiting to get a response. We are waiting for a response. We are waiting for a response. Okay. So while waiting for a possible response, so this is it. Error retrieving NIN details. No record found. This is to show you that there was no record attached to that phone number. The phone number was, in other words, the phone number was not used for any registration. So while doing your searches, you must use a valid phone number so that you will get result. Okay, so the last option I'll be talking about in this video is verification by demo data. This demo data, we are talking of the first name, the last name, the gender, whether male or female, and the date of birth. Then you select the slip type and submit, and in a couple of seconds the portal will return a response. If any record is found, it will return a positive response displaying the NIN details that is attached to the record you typed. So look very well. Where I want to point out is the date of birth. If you don't enter the date of birth in a correct order, you will not get a result. For instance, if you are typing 25 December 2025, you have to type everything out without any space. For example, 25 1 2 20 25. This is the date of birth for 25 December 2025. Another one I'm going to use as an example is 5th July 2000. Okay, this is what I do. 05072000. Okay, this is the date of birth for 5th July 2000. If you don't type the date of birth in this format, you are not going to get a result. You are going to get a negative result like record not found. So take note of this. Okay, so with that, you can now get your NIN details from this portal. The other service that you can get from this portal is IPE clearance and validation. Then tracking ID personalization. If you are having a center where you do enrollment and suddenly maybe your license got blocked, that you cannot personalize with your device, this website can help you and personalize your jobs. But at the moment, personalization is not activated on the portal. You can contact the admin of this portal and send your personalization job directly to him, and he will clear it for you. The same thing with validation and IPE clearance. Something with IPE clearance, you can chat the admin and send your jobs to him on WhatsApp, and he will clear it for you, because we still have a whole lot of services on this portal. Now this portal looks so promising. We have a whole lot of services, but most of the services are not yet activated because this is still a new portal. We have other services here, but they are not active yet. So anyone you need from the list, you can contact the admin and he will do it for you. Okay, so let me quickly look at my verification history. Now I have done over 100 verification with this portal. You can see them here. These are all the history that I've done recently. These are my work that I've verified recently on this portal. So the portal looks promising. They don't have network issues. So you can see I have a whole lot of verification on this portal. So all you need to do is you register. After registration, you fund your wallet. Now this is option to fund your wallet. Once you click on fund your wallet, you allow it to load and you will see account details. Then immediately you can send a message to admin on WhatsApp and your account will be funded accordingly. So with that, I believe you can take your business to the next level. Okay, so thank you for being with us to the end of this video. And as I've always promised, I will always be posting engaging content on this portal regarding NIN business and other general business that will be of help to you. So make sure you like this video and you subscribe to our channel, because in the coming days I'll be posting more content. Have a nice day.